Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same one again. You can also click on Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!